Hello friends, welcome to my channel Math Club Easy Learning. I am Professor Deepanjan Kumar De. Today Math Club Easy Learning provide you free YouTube channel. Today I will discuss another important lecture on Jacobian or Jacobian transformation. Before this, I have uploaded two videos on Jacobian, that is part 1, part 2. Now this is the third video of Jacobian. Today I will discuss mainly properties of Jacobian. Two properties I will discuss, and for these two properties, how to solve sum using these two properties. So first properties and second properties I will do, then along with a sum of each property I will explain here. So this is very important, very important for engineering students, engineering mathematics. This is also important for BTech, MCA, MSc Mathematics and others competitive exam throughout India, like NET exam, GATE exam. Okay, so let's see the properties of Jacobian. Property number 1. Property number 1. Property 1. If J equal to del UV by del XY, and this is suppose J1 and J2 equal to del XY by del UV, del XY by del UV, then del UV by del XY, del UV by del XY into del XY by del UV, this equal to 1. That is, this is J1, this is J2, that is J1 into J2 is equal to 1. This is the first property of Jacobian. So using this property, I will do a sum. Okay, that sum I will take that sum from university question paper. This sum is also important for the exam. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So now you just write this property, del UV by del XY into del XY by del UV is equal to 1. So this is the first property. So now I am taking a sum from university question paper. So just I am removing this property. You can write this property. Using this property, that is, I am doing a sum number 1. Okay. So now first sum I am taking here. If example 1, okay, if if x equal to u into 1 minus v, okay, x, y equal to uv, okay, y equal to uv. Compute the Jacobian, compute the Jacobian J1 is equal to del xy by del uv, J2 equal to del uv by del xy, del uv by del xy, del uv by del xy, and verify the result, and verify the result, J1 into J2 is equal to 1. J1 into J2 is equal to 1. Okay, so there are three parts in this sum. That is, J1 equal to this you have to find, J2 equal to this you have to find, then J1 into J2 is equal to minus 1. You have to prove this. Okay, so now J1 solution. Just I am doing solution here. Just follow me, solution. So what is x here? X equal to, sorry. First part is J1. J1 you have to calculate. J1 is equal to del xy by del uv. Okay, del xy by del uv. So del x by del u, according to definition, del x by del u, del x by del u, then del y by del u, del y by del u, del x by del v, del x by del v, then del y by del v. Okay, this both are u. Okay, this is u, del x by del u, del y by del u, del x by del v, del y by del v. This determinant, this is the determinant, this equal to, you can write this way also, del u del x, the del x by del u, del x by del v here, this in first column and this in second column. You can do you can write that way. The answer will be same, the result will be same. Okay, now from here I am just doing calculation. You see, x equal, just I am calculating this and this. X equal to u into 1 minus v, that is u minus uv. Okay, so del u, so that del x del u with respect to u, means 1 minus with respect to u, this is u and this is v, so 1 minus v, del x del v with respect to v, that means del x del v means this part is 0 when u is constant, that is del x del v, that is minus u, okay, minus u, okay, minus del x del v, so minus u. Now del y equal to what? Y equal to uv, so del y by del u, that is v, and del y by del v is equal to u, this is u, this is v. Okay, this is v. Okay, so I am just putting the value over here. So just putting the value over here. So now del u del x del u, that is 1 minus v, del x del v, that is minus u, this is u. Okay, this is u. Then this del y del u, that is v, this is u, okay. Now calculate this part. This equal to, tell me, this into this minus this into this, that is u minus uv u minus uv plus this into this uv. So uv getting cancelled, that is equal to u. That is equal to u. So J1, that is J1 is equal to u. J1 you are getting u. Similarly J2. Similarly J2. What is J2? What is J2? J2 means del uv by del xy. Del uv, this is u. Del uv by del xy. This equal to del uv, del u del x, del u del x, del u del y, del v del x, del v del x, del v del y. This part, this. Okay. So now you just follow me. According to definition I am writing here. Now in the definition I have written this part in the first column and this part in the second column. So that means there will be no problem. Okay, this if you write this in the first column, this in the second column, then no problem. Result will be same. Okay. Now for this, so this is actually J1 value is u. Be careful. J1 value is u. Now you see, so you have to find del u del x, del u del y, del v del x, del v del y. So here just I am removing this part. Be careful, just you have to write down this. If you have no problem, you can write down this. So now I am just removing this part. Okay, so this part I am just removing. Okay, this part. Okay, now you see x equal to u minus uv. uv equal to what? uv equal to y. So u minus, you see, in place of uv, in place of uv, in place of uv, this is uv. uv equal to u minus y. u minus, this is actually y. So this can be written as here y, because y equal to uv. Try to understand this concept. Okay. So now from here you can write u equal to what? X taking ly taking here. So x plus y. X plus y. U equal to x plus y. So now what is v? So v equal to, you see, y by u. Y by u. That is equal to, this is u. Y by u means y by x plus y. So now what we are doing here? So converting u and v in terms of xy. In terms of xy, because you want to find del u del x, del u del y, del v del x, del v del y. Okay. So now del u del x you can find easily. Del u del x equal to what? Del u del x with respect to x partially, y constant, that is 1. Del u del x is equal to 1. Okay, 1. Now del u del y, this is also 1. Okay. Now del v del y. Del v del y means with respect to y, when with respect to y, when, sorry, del v del x first. Here you see del v del x. Del v del x is equal to, with respect to del v del x, with respect to x when y constant. So that means y minus del v del x. Del v del x, that is minus y by x plus y whole square. So into del x of x, that is 1. That is 1. This is y constant, remains same. 1 by x plus y. Differentiation is minus 1 by x plus y whole square into del x of x, that is 1. Similarly del v del y. Del v del y. Del v del y is equal to del v del y. Del v del y is equal to just u by v formula with respect to y, with respect to y, with respect to y when x is constant. This is u by v formula. That means just u by v formula, then just I am writing directly here, that will be x by x plus y whole square, x by x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square. So this part, be careful, what from where you are getting here, because this is u by v, u into ddx of v minus v into ddx of u, v into ddx of u minus u into ddx of v by v whole square, like this. So now just we are putting over here, del v del x is equal to, del v del x is equal to, that is minus y by x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square, and here this is 1, this is 1 x by x plus y, del v del y, x by x plus y whole square. So this part is whole square, x by x plus y whole square. I am writing clearly here, just follow me, don't be confused. This is x by x plus y whole square. Now break this determinant, that is break this determinant, this into this minus this into this. So that means this into this minus plus which will be there. So 1 by x plus y, this will be 1 by x plus y, x plus y. This into this minus this into this, then you will get 1 by x plus y. 1 by x plus y, that is the x plus y is equal to v. X, be careful, x plus y equal to v. So that means 1 by x plus y equal to u. Sorry, u. So 1 by u. 1 by u. So what is the value of z2? So z2 is equal to 1 by u, j1 equal to u. So now j1 into z2, u into, that is this part. Therefore j1 into j2, j1 into j2, u into 1 by u. So u getting cancelled, that is 1. This, be careful, j1 into z2, j1 into j2, j1 value is u, j2 value is 1 by u. Now j1 into j2 is equal to 1. This is verified, third part. So I think you understand very nicely. I am 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Thank you very much once again.